Welcome to India Yojana. YSR Cheyuta scheme for the year 2020. Application form, eligibility details and complete beneficiaries list. YSR Cheyuta scheme or Jagananna Cheyuta is a new scheme launched by AP government in order to provide financial assistance to women in the state. The AP government announced some welfare schemes in June 2019 and one of those schemes was a women welfare scheme named YSR Cheyuta 2020. Through this scheme, AP government intends to support all women from SC, ST, BC and minority communities. Under this scheme, the state will be providing Rs 75,000 to all the women belonging to SC, ST, BC and minorities over a period of 4 years. Hence, the annual sum of Rs 18,750 per year will be provided as financial assistance to all the eligible women in the state. The scheme is expected to benefit about 3 lakh women across the state through the scheme. All the poor who are deprived of various basic facilities can utilize the money given by the scheme and lead a dignity and honor. To avail the benefits of this scheme, women must be above 45 years of age while the maximum age is 60 years. It aims to provide empower social economical deprived women entrepreneurship and helping them build strong rewarding businesses. So the state government has already transferred first financial assistance of rupees 18,750 account of each of 23 lakh beneficiaries. So the amount of rupees 75,000 for 4 years would be released in 4 equal installments through the respective cooperatives. All the eligible women under this scheme will be providing with pension amount starting from the age of 45 itself. So how to apply for this scheme? So you need to apply for this scheme through the offline mode only. The applicants need to provide the documents like caste certificate, Aadhaar card, income certificate, domicile certificate, bank account, passbook details, age proof, mobile number and a passport size photography before applying for this scheme. You need to carry all this. Gram volunteer of the assigned geographical area will collect all the documents and scrutinize and all documents for the eligibility criteria. Next, Gram Sachivalayam personally will create the final list of beneficiaries after re-verifying once all the eligible applicants are sorted out. So there is no notification regarding the online application for this scheme by the state government. As soon as the details about the scheme online application portal is out, we will be updating here soon. So what are the eligibility details of the scheme? The age of the woman must be between 45 to 60. The woman must belong to the deprived section, that is SC, ST, BC or minority communities. She should be a resident of AP. Total land holding should not be more than 3 acres of wetland or 10 acres of dry land. No person in the family should be a government employee. The applicant family shouldn't have four-wheeler, that is taxi, auto, tractor or any four-wheelers. Monthly power consumption of this applicant should be less than 300 units per month. Required documents are the address proof. Address proof can be used for filling the application form, caste certificate to know whether the caste, age proof, Aadhaar card, bank account details with bank account number, IFSC details, photography, domicile certificate, mobile number and the beneficiaries list. There are about 23 lakh women in the age group between 45 to 60 who are already receiving monthly social pensions, would also be able to take benefits of YSR Cheyuta. The annual amount received by women for this pension is 27,000 at the rate of 2,250 per month. So the total comes around 45,750 per annum. So women beneficiaries of this scheme are free to use the amount received anywhere, anyhow they wish to. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to India Yojana for more state and central government schemes.